Same thing with the drain suit, metal hair drain clock remover. So this does come as a 3-pack. We got a loop on one side, and we can see we got the snake on the other. So it looks almost like hook and loop material, so almost like Velcro. And it is actually fairly round. So I was expecting this to be more flat, so you can see on the end this is flattened. But this is good. That means it's going to have a lot more coverage whenever it's snaking out the drain. From where you would put your finger through to the end, that is right around 30 inches. The thing I noticed is if I grab the tip, I can kind of twist this a little bit. So I'm not sure how it's attached, but it seems to be attached right here on the end. There might be some adhesive on here. Can't really tell exactly what that is. So this drain isn't clogged, but we can still use it to demonstrate how this would go. And just push the guy in, and right there I can feel it hitting the P-trap, and pull it out. So it didn't grab anything. I guess it did grab a couple of things. It's actually kind of neat. So there was a little bit in there anyway. Now the neat thing about this, when you pull these things out, if they got a bunch of, like a clump of hair on there, it's kind of gross. You have to give it a knife or something to cut it off. And the cool thing about having a 3-pack like this is in the event that you do run into that, we can just take this whole thing and throw it away, and we got 2 extras. So we don't even have to really even get that dirty. Curiosity, I want to see if I can pick up anything in the sink. Oh yeah, we got a little mucus in there. Yeah, twist and pull. Cool. So yeah, overall, that is a very neat snake.